Hello everyone, welcome back to another lecture on reasoning ability and problem solving. In today's lecture, we will discuss some exercises questions from tabulation. Now we have discussed that there are two types of problems that can be formed in tabulation. Type 1 is chronology based. Chronology based, they can be arranged in the format of day or particular dates, based on the months, based on the years, they have a particular chronological order to be followed. Then we have type 2, which is attributes based. Attributes based means they can be arranged based on their floor. They can be arranged based on the color of the shirt that they're wearing. They can be placed on the based on the cities that they are going to, and so on. Correct? There can be various attributes on which they are arranged. So in today's lecture, we will discuss type 1, that is chronology based. Okay? So basically this information we are given, and based on this information we have to answer question number 1 to 5, that is type 1 chronology based. So based on this information we have to answer question 1 to 5. Now 7 persons were born in different years, that is 1953, 1963, 1968, 1976, 1990, 1993, 1998. So 7 people are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So the person that is, whenever you get questions like these, okay, first arrange them in increasing order of the years. So I will write 53 here and I will keep on increasing in the order. So 1976, 1990, 1993, 1998. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 years. 7 people are born. Then it is given to us that 219 is the base year for measuring the age of all persons. Basically what this means is that we will consider their age as of 2019. So based on 2019 we will calculate their age. So how should we calculate? If I have to calculate 2019 and I have to calculate somebody's age in 1998, I will simply simply subtract it. Correct? I will get 1 and 2. So basically the age will be 21. Similarly for 1993. For 1993, this is 219. For 1993, I will subtract. I'll get 6. I'll get 2. So the age of the person will be 26 as of 2019. This is important. This is their age as of 2019. Okay? If I have to subtract 1990 next. So 1990 will be 29 years of age. Correct? 1990 will be 29 years of age. Then 76. So I will get 3 here. And over here I'll get 4. So the next person's age will be 43 as of 2019. Then 1968. So 1968 I will get 1. And over here I will get 5. So the next person's age will be 51 as of 2019. Similarly for 1963, if I have to do, I'll get 6 and I'll get 5. So next person's age will be 56. And 1953, if I have to calculate, it will be 66. So the next person's age will be 66. So the person who is born in 1953 will be 66 years of age in 2019. Similarly, the person born in 1963 will be 56 years old in 2019. This is how we will get. Now we have to arrange them, that is who is born in which age. Who is born in which year. Okay? Now, not more than 2 persons were born before P. That means 2 persons were born before P. Because not 2 persons were born before P, so I can place P over here. Correct? I can place P over here. 1 person was born between V and S and none of them have even numbered age. So V and S, between V and S, we can have it like this or we can have it like this. 1 person is born between them and they don't have even numbered age. That means V and S cannot come in 1953, 1963 because the age is 66 and 56. Now we can have in 43, correct? 43, but then again if I have S over here, it will be 26. So even numbered age. So this is also not possible. So I can have VS like this because the age is 29, correct? And here the age is 21. Or I can have it like this. Age is age is 29 and V's age is 21. So then their age will be odd because their ages cannot be even. So now I have two possibilities. Okay, let us continue. There are as many persons born before U as after Q. That basically means U and Q have the same positions from top and bottom. Correct? Difference between the age of T and S is not less than 20 years. So T is more than 20 years old from S. So more than 21. In this situation, 21 plus more than 20 years. That means T will be at least 41 years old. So T can be here, correct? T can be here. And in this situation, we have S. So 29 plus 20, that means at least 49 years old. So T can be here. T can be also here, also here, also here also. Okay, so let us hold this information. Now it is given to us T was born before Q. So in any case, T was born before Q, that means Q will come here. Similarly, in this case, T was born before Q. So I can have Q here also, I can have Q here also. And T was born after R. So here I can have just one position for R. And here also I can have one position for R. Two positions for R. T can be, R can be here also, R can be here also. Correct? Now, either P or U have odd numbered age. So in both the cases, P has odd numbered age. That means U will have a even number age. So now look at possibility number 1. If Q is second from the bottom, then U will be top from the bottom. Correct? U will be second from the top. If Q is second from the bottom, that means U will be second from the top. So here I am getting a final arrangement. Now let us check. U's is a even numbered age, P's is a odd numbered age. So this particular arrangement is satisfying all the conditions. Over here, if I try to do this, Q is over here, that means U will be here. Then where will I place T? T has to be at least 20 years older than S. But so T has to be at least 49 years old. So this is the wrong arrangement. This one is my final arrangement. This is my final arrangement. This one. Okay, this is my final arrangement where R is born in 1953 and R is 66 years old in 2019. Similarly, U is born in 1963. P is born in 1968, T is born in 1976, V is born in 1990, Q is born in 1993, and S is born in 1998. This is my final arrangement. This is satisfying all the conditions. Okay, if you want, let us go through the conditions one more time. Okay, let us see if this arrangement is following all the conditions. So not more than two persons were born before P. This is being followed, correct? One person was born between V and S. So this is being followed, and none of them have even numbered age. So V is 29, S is 21. Okay, there are as many persons born before U. So before U, one person is born, as after Q. So after Q, one person is born. Difference between the age of T and S is not less than 20 years. So over here, the difference is between T and S. The difference is almost 22 years. So not less than 20 years. Okay. T was born before Q. So over here, T is born before Q and after R. So that is also being satisfied. Either P or U have odd numbered age. That means one will have odd numbered age and the other will have even numbered age. So P has odd numbered age and U has even numbered age. Correct? P has odd numbered age and U has even numbered age. So this will be my final arrangement. Now based on this arrangement, we have 5 questions. Let us answer. The first question says, in which of the following year T was born? So we have to identify the year in which T was born. Going back to the arrangement. T is over here. Which year is T born in? 1976. So T is born in 1976. So in the options, I do not see 1976. Therefore, my answer will be option number 5, none of these. T is born in 1976. Correct? This will be my answer. Now, question number 2 is, what is the sum of the age of R and S? So we have to identify the sum of the age of R and S. So this is the arrangement. R is 66-year-old and S is 21 years old. Correct? So R is 66 years old and S is 21 years old. So the sum of their ages, 66 plus 21, will give me 87. So the sum of their age will be 87 years old, option number 3. Option number 3 will be the correct answer to this question. Clear? Question number 3. Question number 3 is, who among the following is the oldest person? Oldest person means the one whose age is maximum. Correct? Whose age is maximum. Coming back to the arrangement, the age maximum is 66, which is born in 1953, which belongs to R. So R is the oldest person and S is the youngest person. Correct? S is the youngest, R is the oldest. So answer will be option number 3, R. R is the oldest person. Correct? Question number 4. Which of the following pair of combination is true? So let me write the arrangement. We have 1953, 1963. Then we have 1968, 1976, 1990, 1993 and 1998. The ages are, these are the years born. Okay. Then what are the ages? The ages are 66, 56, then 51, 43, 29, 26 and 21. And the person who is born in these years. So we have R, U, P, T, V, Q and S. So this was the arrangement. So we have to answer which of the following pair of combination is true. The one that is true. So P29. Over here, P is basically 51 years old, not 29. So this is false. Correct? Now, Q26. Q is 26 years old. So this one is true. R56. R is 66 years old. R is 66 years old. So this one is false. S43. S is 21 years old. So this is also false. So now we have to answer which one is true. So only option number 2 is true. That is Q26. This one is true. Okay. So my answer will be option number 2, Q26. Question number 5. Question number 5 says, how many persons are younger than you? So if I look at the arrangement, you at this position, all these people are younger than you. Correct? All these people are younger than you. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 people younger than you. So if I look at the options, we have none, 1, 2, 3, more than 3. So we have 5 people who are younger than you. So my answer will be option number 5, more than 3. Correct? This will be my answer. So these were question on chronology based, type 1 chronology based tabulation. Now we have other 5 questions, 6 to 10. In the next lecture, we will discuss type 2, that is attribute based. In this lecture, we discussed 5 questions on one data and the other 5 questions we will discuss on this data. So let us start. Now let us look at this question. This data, based on this data, we will answer question number 6 to 10. So the question says that there are 8 people, namely A, B, C, D, E, F, G and H, and that are born in the same month of different years. So years are 1969, 1972, 1978, 1981, 1989, 1997, 2000 and 2005. Okay, and their age are considered as on the same month of 2016. That means 2016 will be our base year, correct? 2016 will be our base year. We will calculate their age from 2016. So let me write down the years. The years are 1969, 1972, 1978, 1981, 1989, 1997, 2000 and 2005. So we will calculate the age from 2016, correct? So from 2016, 2005 will be 11 years old. From 2016, 2000 will be 16 years old, correct? We are simply subtracting. From 2016, 1997. So this will be 0, this will be 16. So here we will have 9 and 1. The next age will be 19 years old. From 2016 till 1989. If I have to calculate, this will be 0, this will be 16. So over here I will get 7 and over here I'll get 2. So the next age will be 27. Then 1981 and 2016. So we will get 5 and over here 3. So the next age will be 35. Then 1978. So 1978, this will be 0. This will be 16. So 8 and then 3. So 38 years. Then we will have 1972. So 4 and over here we have 4. So 44 years. And then 1969, if I have to calculate, this one will be 0, this will be 16. Over here I'll get 7 and over here I'll get 4. So the next age will be 47. So these are the people that are born in these years, aged this much as on 2016. Okay. Now it is given to us G is born in even number year but not born in the year which is not divisible by 4. So two conditions. First condition, G is born in an even year. Second condition, that year must be divisible by 4. Correct? It must be divisible by 4. So now, if I look at 44, 44 is divisible by 4, so G could be born here. Second, if I take the possibility, 38 is an even number, but is it divisible by 4? No. Moving on, 16. 16 is an even number, divisible by 4? Yes. So G could be born here. So now I have how many? 2 possibilities that we will take while solving the question. Clear? Now, A is 35 years old now. That means A will come over here. This is fixed position for A. A is 35 years old. Now, B is 17 years older than F, who is 8 years younger than A. So F is 8 years younger than A. That means 35 minus 8. Correct? Because A is 35 years old. So if I reduce, this will be 2, this will be 15. Over here I'll get 7 and over here I'll get 2. So the age is 27 for F. So F will come over here. Right? And B is 17 years older than F. So if F is 27, correct? If F's age is 27, that B is 17 years older. So we will add 17. I'll get how much? 44. So B will be at this place. In over here we already have G, therefore this is not the correct possibility. So what is our approach? We solve the question by taking all the possibilities and we keep on eliminating the possibilities based on the data. So according to this data, this is the incorrect possibility. We will continue with possibility number 2. Okay. Now it is given to us there are 8 years gap between E and D. And okay, H is 9 years younger than C but not born in 2005. So H is 9 years younger. So let's say H is over here. Let's say H is over here. Correct? But not born in 2005. So let's say the next position H is over here. 9 years younger. That means 19 plus 9. So the next age will be 28. But do we have an age for 28? No. So let's keep H at this position. 38. Correct? In 38, if I add how much? 9 years younger. 9. So I'll get 47. So I do have 47. That means H is 9 years younger than C. C will come over here. Correct? H is 9 years younger than C but not in 2005. That means C will come over here. H will come over here. Now we have two positions E and D. Okay. Over here it is given E was born earlier than G. So definitely E will come over here. and D will come over here. But now let us check the gap. E is 19 years old, D is 11 years old, so the gap is definitely for 8 years. So this will be the final arrangement. This will be the final arrangement. C is born in 1969, 47 years old. B is born in 1972, he is 44 years old. H is born in 1978, he is 38 years old. A is born in 1981, he is 35 years old. F is born in 1989, he is 27 years old. E is born in 1997, he is 19 years old. G is born in 2000, he is 16 years old. And D is born in 2005, he is 11 years old. This will be the final arrangement. So let us just quickly confirm based on the data. Okay, let us just quickly confirm based on the data. The first data is G is born in even number year but not born in the year which is not divisible by 4. So this condition that G is born in a year which is even. So over here we have placed G in 2000 and 2000 is divisible by 4. Correct? So this condition is true. Now A is 35 years old now. So A is placed at the 35th position over here. Correct? In 1981. B is 17 years older than F. So B is 44 and F is 27. So 27 plus 17 will give me 44. Correct? So this condition is also true. F is 8 years younger than A. So A is 35 years old. F is 27 years old. If I subtract this, I'll get 8. So this is also correct. There are 8-year gaps between E and D. So E is 19 years old, D is 11 years old. So gap is definitely 8 between them. So this is also true. H is 9 years younger than C. So over here H is 38 years old, C is 47 years old. If I subtract this, I'll get 9. Correct? So this condition is also true. And C is not born in 2005. So this condition is also true because C is born in 1969. E was born earlier than G. This is also correct because E was born in 1997 and G is born in 2000. So this arrangement, this final arrangement is correct in every aspect. Now based on this, we have 4 questions. So let us solve. This is question number 6. Question number 6 is simply asking in which year is F born. So basically the birth year of F. So if I look at the arrangement, I will go back to the arrangement. F is born here. F is born in 1989 and is 27 years old. So, F is born in 1989. Going back to the question. F is born in 1989. Therefore, my answer will be option number 2. F is born in 1989. Clear? This is the arrangement. This is what we arranged, right? C, B, H, A, F, E, G and D. This is our arrangement. What is the age? 11, 16, 19, 27, 35, then 38, 44 and 47. These are the ages. Ages as on 2016. These are the ages as on 2016. Okay. Moving on to the next question. The next question is, what is the age of G in 2016? So, if I look at the arrangement, G is over here. What is the age of G in 2016? 16 years old. So, G is 16 years old. Going back to the options, answer will be option number 4, 16 years, because G is 16 years old. Okay. Question number 8. Question number 8 is, 4 of the following 5. So this is 5 options are given. 4 of them are alike in a certain way and hence they form a group. Which one of the following does not belong to that group? So we have to find the odd one out. Correct? We have to find the odd one out. Now simply by looking at this, I can say 1969 is a odd year. Correct? 1969 is a odd year. 1978 is a even year. Correct? 2005 is a odd year. 1981 is again an odd year. 1997 is also a odd year. Do you remember what is odd or what is even? Very basic. Basically, when the last place or the unit digit for odd numbers, For odd numbers, the unit digit are 1, 3, 5, 7 and 9. And for even digit, the odd numbers are 0, 2, 4, 6 and 8. Correct? So over here I can simply see that 1978 is the only year that is odd. Sorry, that is even. Therefore, this is the odd one out. This is the one that is different. The one that is different. Okay? So my answer will be option number 2, 1978. Moving on to question number 9. Question number 9, by how many years B was born before E? So basically we have to find the difference between B and E. So if I go back at the arrangement, B is here, E is here. The age, if I'm writing, okay, I'm writing the ages. The age is 47, 44, 38, 35, 27, 19, 16 and 11. So E's age is 19, B's age is 44. So if I find the difference, this will be 3, this will be 14, so this will be 5 and this will be 25. So the difference between the ages of B and E is 25 years. Going back to the question, by how many years B was born before E? So the answer will be 25 years. Option number 5. Okay? 25 years. Question 10. How many years gap between C and D? So going back to the arrangement. This is C, this is D. The age of C over here is 47 and the age of D over here is 11. So the difference between the ages will be 47 minus 11, which will be 36. So the gap between the age of C and D is 36 years. Okay? Going back to the question. How many years gap between C and D? 36 years. So my answer will be option number 3, 36 years. Clear? This will be my answer. So in today's lecture, we discussed the type 1 chronology based. In the next lecture, we will discuss the type 2, that is attributes based. So this concludes today's lecture. Thank you.